Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be playing Build a Boat by myself, and I'm gonna build a boat. And I already built a boat, and it's in this one save slot. But I'm gonna do something interesting. Ooh, what is that interesting thing? Well, actually, I'm not gonna build a boat. Well, you're gonna think I'm gonna build a house. I'm not gonna build a house. I'm gonna build a, guess it? Guess it? A cave! Yay, a cave. But I don't think I could do a cave. Because yeah, my concrete is pretty low, so I'm not a cave. So what? So I must see. Well, I have some stuff here. I have an idea a little. What if we just did like a lot of stuff? Like, I don't know what to build, but I might think of something to build. I know what to build! The computer. Well, the computer won't be working, but I'm gonna build the computer and it's gonna be fun. Okay, so where should I need to start with a block? Metal could do. Except though I have less metal. So let's build a small computer here. Okay, like no, this, yes. Now that's gonna be the bottom base. Here's the middle. Here's the middle. Boom. Now, since that's the middle now, I'ma scale a little up and like this and that. Yeah, that seems good for the bottom base. Now next, I'ma put like a block here and I'ma scale this out. So this is like, okay, so how about that? Okay, so that is gonna be one. Wait, I need to count. Now let's put the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Now next, I'ma scale this up to 30. Actually, no, not up to 30. That size could do. Now next, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put a screen with ice. Because I use ice, and I don't use plastic. Okay, let me just scale this down. Okay, now next, okay, like this. Okay, then this. Okay, cool. Now next, I need to put another block here. Like this. Like that. Boom, bam, bop, yeah, boop, bow, Wait, now like this. Now scale it up. Woohoo! I'ma pause until we get when I'm done. Quick note to say that this isn't a private server. So guys, this is the computer. Like there's a keyboard, there's a mouse, and there's a portal to here. Yay! Let me sit here, and then let's press launch. Whee! I wonder if I'm gonna get to the... Oh god. Well, what? No, get me up! Get me up! Get me up! Yes! Now I need to get up there. I didn't think about this. Well, boys, so guys, today, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell to never miss any of my uploads. And bye!